Welcome back to Savannah's Kitchen. Hi, I'm Savannah.
I'm Uncle Jamie. This is your first time here? Welcome. We hope you enjoy.
Please don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss another one of our videos. Hey Uncle, what's on the menu today?
We are making fried Oreos in the air fryer. No oil, no mess, easy cleanup.
We like easy cleanup.
We love easy cleanup. So let's get started, Savannah.
Alright.
We're going to start with 1 cup pancake mix.
Okay.
2/3 a cup of water.
Alright.
Why don't you start to give that a stir? Stir that around, you get a nice consistency, get it mixed real well. And then we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar. Oh, that's looking good already. There you go. Go ahead and mix that up real good. And you might want to add a little bit of water if it gets too thick. Savannah, you ready to get started?
Yep. Why are we using those cupcake liners?
Well, we're using the foil cupcake liners because we're going to make these fried Oreos in our air fryer. If we use regular paper liners, they would catch fire. So we don't want that.
No, we don't.
No. All right, here we go. I'm going to add a little bit of batter to the bottom of the liners. There you go. Why don't you go ahead and add the Oreos?
Okay.
Once you get the Oreos added, I'm going to go ahead and top them with some more batter.
Okay.
Now, you notice I have pre-sprayed these liners with cooking spray. That way our finished product does not stick. Okay, from here, we can put them in our air fryer. 5 minutes. They should be looking good.
Alright.
Hope you're hungry.
I am.
Okay, let's get them in the air fryer.
Alright, let me get the door for you.
Set our timer for 5 minutes.
Alright.
Here we go. I think they're ready. All right. I like to top them with powdered sugar.
Alright.
Now, I use a sifter, but you may not have a sifter. So you can use a slotted spoon and just shake it on.
So it's not,
So it's not putting too much, but can you really have too much powdered sugar?
I don't think you can.
All right, let's see. Now we use the sifter. You can't really have too much powdered sugar.
No, you can't.
there you have it. Fried Oreos right out of the air fryer. No mess, easy cleanup.
Thanks for watching. See you next week.
See you next week.